All right, this is Trevor with Russ Darrow Kia, and you know Christmas is right around the corner. So what car out of a whole lot would Santa pick? I would think it would be this 2024 Kia Telluride right here. As you can see, first thing, the black on black makes Santa discreet throughout the night. He can deliver his presents. And we also have cameras here right underneath the logo sign, and also two on the side mirror and one in the back. That gives him the surround view he would need to land his vehicle safely on top of your roof. So once you get inside here, you can see you have a touchscreen navigation, so that allows him to never get lost. And we do have a sunroof in this one, so throughout the North Pole he can see the northern lights. And this vehicle comes with the heated and ventilated seats, and also heated steering wheel. Gives Santa time to get warm. And also, as you can see back here, plenty of space. If he wants to bring his elves, they have spots to sit at. And those seats are also heated and ventilated as well. And once you get to the back here, power lift gate, super easy. Put the seats down, Santa can fit all his presents in here and deliver it all in one night. So this is the vehicle Santa would take to deliver presents, the 2024 Kia Telluride. Merry Christmas.